Hello, good morning guys. Almusal na tayo ng palabok with hot coffee. Almusal na tayo. Tara, let's eat. Na merong palabok. With hot coffee. Tara, let's eat. With egg. Sarap-sarap ng palabok. Mga pinartnera ng hot coffee. Okay, thanks for viewing. Good morning sa lahat. Happy Friday morning. Bye.